two at the front and two at the back. It means there's an equal distribution between all four toes, meaning that they will hit the But I noticed when on his feet when it comes to him running, which is the main reason why he chooses to do that, is just because it conserves so much energy. It's just so important for him to conserve that energy. A lot of people have it in their heads that birds want to fly all the time. The reality is they have to achieve the dinner. Once they've achieved the dinner, they don't want to do anything else until they have to work again. It's a proven thing. It's a bit like us. We can run, but do we run everywhere? No, because we can't bother to run everywhere. We walk because it conserves energy. It's exactly the same with the birds. Grab hold of it. So 16 foot this bird can jump up to, which is just fantastic for him. Now, with him being an omnivore, he doesn't just eat your plants, your vegetation, he also eats people. I did get told this week he's gone on strike from doing it. He did it for me in the earlier show. Where are you going off to? Come on, so we'll see what happens. So, I'm going to throw the snake on the floor. And he's going to ignore it. Steve, come and join me. Right, we'll see. Go on, pick up the snake. So, pick it up. He's saying no. So he did it in the earlier show. I know you well and truly he's going to go on strike. Can you kill the snake already? Here we go. Drops it. There we go. So he whips it into the floor and he hits it. He alternates between the head, tail. You can see he picks it up and then he rips through it with the talon at the side of his foot. And that's because that talon is slightly curved. It means it's fantastic for him to be able to rip the snake into the ground. And he'll do that with your lizards as well. Now, a big thing for a lot of your birds that are your snake killers, it can be quite dangerous for them. Birds have got incredibly tough skin all the way down their legs. So to be able to get through that skin is quite hard. But the other thing a lot of these snake killers do is they stick out the wings. They want the snake to bite on the Therefore, if it releases anything, it's not going to affect him in any way. If they see or sense a coyote or wolf, they let off a noise that can be heard from very far away. Now, once Serena calls, they all start calling, which is why it's a really, really big noise out in the wild. Now, can we get it? We'll go for it. About vultures. They say they're horrible, they're nasty, they're smelly, they're ugly, they're dirty, they're not allowed. They're one of the cleanest animals on the planet. And we vitally need them in our ecosystem. Unfortunately, we're massively struggling out in the wild with a lot of our vulture populations. Now, out in the wild, we've got 23 different types of vultures. 30% of them in the wild are doing pretty well, and one of them is this bird here. Unfortunately, though, the other 70% of him
don't make any noise, okay?
He's got to have a cooling down system. So he actually wheezes and poos down his legs to be able to cool himself off. Now, a lot of the birds out in the wild and all you vulture types, all our vultures are equipped with a different shaped beak. So all different species of vultures have different shaped beaks. And the reason for that is it basically reduces the competition between birds. Because if you have a different shaped beak, it means that you are allocated a different part of the carcass. So it means that it reduces the competition between all birds. And it stops all these birds from fighting over the same piece until she was 37 years old. And they are just a fantastic bird. The Harris Oak is a North and South American bird. They live out in the desert areas. They don't live solitary, they live in a group. And this group gets the name the Wolves of the Sky. Because they hunt in that pack-like manner. Now, in this pack-like manner, you have your matriarch, you have your main female that leads the whole group, and the rest follows. So hawks are a fantastic group bird. Now, one of the names that this bird actually gets is your ladder bird, the Italian
over you, Jordan.
Ruby is a little star. Ruby was actually on a Netflix program I did last year. Yeah, looks like it for around that
Wow.
She was on a Netflix thing where she had to take down somebody at the back. He started running out to train Ruby.
Look at this. Where the train will go. Jordan, don't bang. Jordan went into the snake roller coaster, the jeepney patrol, and now in the train. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! What does the train say? Choo-choo! Choo-choo! You sit properly. That's it. You'll be fine.
Train is chasing two little birds on the tracks.
Oh, look.
That's why he slowed down.
Don't. What's that?
Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, choo-choo train, choo-choo train.
Nice, Jordan. Are you sleepy?
Been busy all day, Mummy. This is where the pigs are.
Yeah, the wild pig.
Still not outside.
The lake.
Where you see animals.
Yeah.
Good journey, animals.
Yes, Jordan. Oh, there's a big, what is that? Beaver? There's another geese. KNOWSLEY. Oh yeah, you're frowning.
That one just now.
That one there. Oh, there's a lot of them.
That's how they disappear. See, Mommy and Daddy said they take Jordan to see animals today. Jordan see many, many animals. Jordan had lots of rides as well, yes? And you saw the sea lions, and you saw the birds. Wow, what a day, huh?
Wow, you open your mouth. I can see your teeth.
Don Elena, olive oil.
He's feeling the wind. There? There, Daddy? I don't know what that is. It's like a beaver or something.